equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure you have a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. First, unplug your Dyson SV12. Remove the screws from the back cover using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws safe for reassembly. Once the cover is off, you'll see the motor. Carefully disconnect the wiring harness. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. This will help with performance. Now, remove the screws holding the motor in place. Gently lift the motor out. Before installing the new motor, do a visual inspection of the area. Look for any signs of wear or damage. Place the new motor in position and secure it with the screws. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring a snug fit. Replace the back cover and secure it with the screws. Finally, plug in your Dyson and test it. Remember, for a professional diagnosis without obligation, consider our services. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about no calls, no travel. Get a quote before repair to ensure you're informed. Enjoy your clean home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.